Welcome. If you're looking to stay more connected with your friends on Pinterest, you'll love today's quick guide. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable request messages from your friends on Pinterest using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Whether you want to make sure you never miss a message or just want more control over your inbox, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Social Permissions. Click on it to open up more options related to how you connect and communicate with others on Pinterest. Now, scroll down until you see the Messages section. Here, you'll find the option to control who can send you message requests. Look for the word Friends and click on the Edit button right next to it. A new set of options will appear. Here's where you can choose how you want to handle message requests from your friends. Select the option labeled Requests. This means your friends can send you messages, but they'll arrive as requests, giving you the chance to review them before responding. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save. This will update your preferences and make sure your new settings are applied immediately. And that's it. You've now enabled requests messages from your friends on Pinterest, all from your PC. This simple change gives you more control over your messages and helps keep your inbox organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.